Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn that how to add boost converter library to the Proteus. So here you can see the library files. You can download this library from the link provided in the description. Download it, and now let me open it. And here you can see two folders. One is library, the other one is model. So first open the library folder. Now copy this and now go back to the main folder. Now go to the desktop. Here you can see the Proteus icon. Right click on it and then go to open file location. From here go back to the main folder of Proteus 7. Click on this and now locate the library folder. Open it. Now paste the file over here. So here you can see I have pasted it. Now close it and go back to the main folder of Proteus library. So now open this again. This time open the model folder and copy this file. Again go to desktop and click on Proteus icon. Go to open file location and now go back to the main folder of Proteus 7. This time locate the model folder. Open it and paste the file over here. So here you can see boost converter model are pasted here. Close it and now open the Proteus software. If you have already opened it, close it and reopen it again so it will upload the latest libraries. Now here search for the boost converter. So here you can see the boost converter. Double click on this and now click on OK. Place it here. Now zoom it to a specific area. So here you can see the input pins plus and minus, and here you can see the output pins minus and plus. Please keep in mind that boost converter is used for the purpose of step up the DC voltage. The model of this boost converter is MC34063. So this was the method of how to add boost converter to the Proteus. You can download this library from the link provided in the description. Download it and then you can use it. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to it. Thanks for watching.